and I am watching. I'm from London, baby. Put that ass up on the floor. Put that ass up on the floor. Put that ass up on the floor. Put that ass up on the floor.
Hey guys, Queen Triumph _RC here. I am going to be replacing my front A-arm. After a hard day of bashing, I ended up snapping it. I did get myself the stocked front A-arm since they did not have the RPM A-arms in stock, which I'm going to be replacing, and I wish they had. And I'm also going to be putting in the Titan Traxxas motor, the brushed system. My fiance at RC Hobby Steve told me that I will get a little bit more power using this motor, so we're gonna see how that one goes as well. I know some of you guys are probably discouraged because I didn't get the castle system up and running or fixed. It's one of those motors where you don't know if it's gonna work after you invest in it, so I'm debating whether to get that done or not. Definitely should, just for the hell of it. But don't worry guys, it will happen very soon. If you haven't seen the previous video to this, where I spoke a little bit about it, make sure to check that out, as well as the unboxing video of Steve opening up his Axial SCX10 deadbolt, which, by the way, I am in love with, and I wish it was mine, and I'd probably steal it from him. I don't know.
You can drive it whenever you want. Don't worry about it.
But yeah, that truck alone is just amazing. The one I want, and I'm gonna work towards getting, hopefully before my birthday, is the Jeep Wrangler.
Put it this way. On the 27th, I get my next paycheck. The paycheck should be bigger than the one I got today. Now, since I do love my fiance a lot, and knowing that she spent her whole freaking first paycheck, I believe it was, on me to get the Slash 4x4.
That is very true.
Which was super expensive. Yeah. I'm going to go out of my way. I'm not going to buy any upgrades till probably the summer or beginning of June on my third paycheck, and I'm going to go out of my way and go to the hobby store with her and purchase her an Axial SCX10. Now, if they don't have any in stock, I'll probably be buying her an SCX10 online. I know she wants the one I want. The one that she wants, which is the Unlimited Rubicon, is currently, they don't sell those anymore.
The picture that you showed me?
Yeah, they're...
Really?
Yeah. You
what
can
the
buy
hell?
the kit. That's why I bought this one, to upgrade it to it. But I'll probably be buying her either the same one as mine or the Honcho. She'll probably like that one. But,
no, I want that Wrangler one.
Later today, I'll be showing her, the Axials that she can choose from online after the video is done. So I'm just gonna give the video back to Michelle.
How about just an iPhone and we call it a day? So I'm just gonna start pulling this apart, you guys, and from here on, just gonna be what's it called?
The video is gonna be sped up for your entertainment.
Yes. Bam.
So enjoy the music.
Full speed. And there you have it, guys. The Titan Traxxas motor. Awesome. I'll leave that though. No, actually, I'll take it off.
It's just new contents of the ESC.
That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all your latest posts and pictures and videos. And thanks for watching again. See you guys soon. Peace.